Who could have believed that it ever snowed in Mississippi? Guys, it's just my backyard. Um, I was just recording, left the GoPro on. I was about to fillet some fish I had caught the day before the snow. I went out and caught a couple of fish, and I was going to just fillet it. And then all of a sudden, they was calling for snow, but I didn't think that it was going to snow this bad. If you wondering why my grass is green, it's crazy. I plant that winter rye uh, in the wintertime just to have that green grass so it could grow, and I guess it's better for my dog to have a nice little carpet down when she's out there laying down in the sun. So, but as you can see, that I haven't cut it in a while, and uh, what you're gonna see is so all I did is put my camera on record, and it's just a nice day. I mean, just a historic cold front came through the whole nation, the United States, and it gave Southern South a little bit of a white blanket, uh, for about 4 or 5 days. It stayed on the ground for about maybe for a whole week, so it was cold. I fished a couple of those days, caught some sheephead because I knew that was the only thing that was going to be biting. And because of the cold, we didn't have that big of a fish kill though. Some of the fish died, but it wasn't many. But just a little bit of showing my backyard, man, where the snow is accumulating, and I'm getting ready to fillet some fish, man. That's it. I got a big old speck and a sheephead, and then what I did, just cooked it up, and now I do a video of the catching, not the catch and cook, but the cook itself after this one. So this is just going to be cleaning fish in the snow. That's all. Historic Mississippi weekend. We getting 5 to 8 inches of snow in the south, and that snow went from all the way from Texas all the way to the East Coast. It just blanketed the whole United States. Made it a little difficult in other places. Small little fish kill, but you never can tell because not all the fish float up to the top. I did see that next couple of days. I did see a couple dead fish um, on the bank, mostly mullet, no predator fish. But all I caught was like a whole bunch of dinks, man. The next day when I went into the marsh, but the previous day before that, I caught some sheephead. Sorry about this, guys, man. I've been a bit down about making consistent videos, and I've been just uploading shorts of some of the islands, so you can see I've been catching fish, but my GoPros ain't been working good. The angles, I've been trying different angles, and get back home, and then the angles are just not what I want. Either I got my hat in it, or in a way, my hands in the way, the reels in the way, the rods in the way. But have to worry about the cooler. Got my 2 sheephead. I'm sure the edge can do just as good as anything else. There you go. It ain't gonna be perfect. It'll be good enough to it's just cold. I didn't bleed my fish before you got all that blood, but I cut around it once I that's it. One fillet. Cut around the pin bone. Put these up. Listen. The carcass is in there until the weather's done calm down. Alright, that's it. Get my fillets and go and wash them. Go and wash all my fillets off. I'll be done.